Can you tell them that I'm like really lost and I don't know what I'm doing? I don't know why it's not fitting like it did when I was doing it before.
We push back all our problems lately. Polaroid shots in the mountains, baby. We had time to make good nights, so we were high.
Hey guys, so it's currently Wednesday, July 14th. I leave for the Northwest Territories in about 3 days. I'm leaving Saturday, July 17th. My flight goes out at 6:30 a.m. Currently packing. I put out all of my clothes. I have done so much organization with clothing, what I'm bringing, what I'm not bringing. What I'm not bringing, I brought and put in boxes and put it somewhere else in the house. So lots of organization previous to this video, but still I'm looking at it now and I have no idea if it's gonna fit or not into my bags. Okay, so this is the luggage that I'm bringing. My check bag, my carry-on, and then this is going to be my personal item. And this is currently what the bed organization looks like. Coats, sweaters, I have like 2 sets of gym clothes, a pair of leggings and jeans. These are like undershirts, regular shirts, mittens, socks and other things, and then skirts and dress. So that's kind of what I got so far. Let's see if I can put all of this into those bags. So I'm going to be starting off with my check bag here. And I guess I'll start with the biggest items first, which would be my coats. Okay, so I have 3 coats that I'm bringing. I have this one, which I got last year from Aritzia. It's good for -40 weather. So I'm definitely bringing this one. And then I have this other winter coat, not that warm, but better, just for like a shorter coat to do activities in. I'm coming back in December, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get like a actual winter coat and trade this one out for when I come back in December, and I'll just bring up a better, more colder coat, more warmer coat, I guess. And I'm just gonna roll up all of my stuff. I think that's gonna be easiest, and hopefully I can fit most of the things inside of it, but we'll see. So roll it. Okay, so that's going in the bottom of the bag. I'm literally stuffing it in here. Okay, this isn't working. Okay, scratch that. I'm actually sweating and I can't make it fit properly, so I'm gonna do sweaters and track pants. So I have a list of what I want to put inside of my check bag versus my carry-on versus what I'm wearing versus what I'm gonna put in my personal bag. And so I'm wearing probably this outfit to the airport, like a tracksuit, because I always think that it's good to have a tracksuit and wear that because airplanes can get cold, and also it's kind of big and bulky to pack it, so it just makes more sense to wear it. And then obviously I can just wear it like this if I'm too hot or whatever. And so I'm putting, I think I have like 2 other tracksuits that I'm putting inside of my carry-on. I have a whole bunch of sweaters, but I think what I'm doing is I'm gonna split it up and put some inside of my carry-on and some inside of here for my sweaters. And also I'm gonna put a pair of pants inside of my carry-on. It's just whatever doesn't fit inside of here, I'm gonna try and stuff it into my carry-on, and hopefully that'll work. Okay, I literally have so many sweaters. I have like 2 sweater vests here. These are all sweaters. These are sweaters. These are sweaters. I'm sweating. So videotaping and packing is proving to be a lot more difficult than I expected. Okay, so at this point, there's just like a lot of stuff that I've given up trying to pack, and I've just realized that it's not gonna fit and I'm not gonna be able to pack it. If I can, I'm gonna try and fit it into my carry-on, since there's not a lot in my carry-on right now. That's why I'm kind of leaving it, because whatever's left, I'm gonna see what I want to bring on top of it. But yeah, I'm moving on to like toiletry kind of items now. I'll show you what the bag looks like right now. So this is it right now. I do have my 2 coats in there. I have quite a bit of jeans and sweaters. I also have all of my shirts in there, as well as another pair of leggings. I also have like my gym clothes in there. A lot of stuff actually that I fit. So now I have this like big hole still, which I'm planning to fill with all of my toiletry items that I want to bring. One thing that's kind of great is that my makeup actually comes in like my foundation would probably be the thing that had like the most liquid, and it actually comes in just like a little container, so it's actually under the fluid ounces, which is great because then I don't have to worry about it fitting in anywhere, and I also don't have to worry about it taking up a lot of weight in my checked bag. So I'll probably just be putting that in my personal item. This is my carry-on, which I've absolutely stuffed to the max. I don't know if you guys can tell, but literally I have my running shoes in here as well as my boots. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like right now. I'm not entirely sure if this is too heavy or not. It closes fine, and like it'll close and everything, but I have a feeling it's just like a little bit overweight. Okay, so right now I'm about to check the weight. I closed it up to see. I just have to, here we go. How does this, okay, I can have like this. This is a cute, cool little machine. What's going on? No, that's not right. What is this? Shit. Why is it in kilograms? Oh. I can't lift it up high enough with just holding this little thing to see what the weight is. Nope, it says 49. So that cannot have anything else in it.
Push back all our problems lately. Polaroid shots in the mountains, baby.